Welcome to UIndy. You know that we have excellent academic programs. I also want you to know that we have excellent dining facilities. The food is great, the ambiance is phenomenal, and the service staff is simply exceptional.
As a company, Quest prides ourselves on intensely personal service, and I think that rings true in everything we do here. Quest has worked really hard to partner with local vendors here in the Indianapolis market, which I think is incredible for the student population, for them to be able to walk through our spaces and see farms and vendors that they recognize locally.
If you look at the food choices we have available, the quality of nutrition, the fresh foods available, the variety of foods available, and the ability to make your selection based upon your dietary needs is really important.
One of my favorite things here is the global fare station, where you can put together your different sauces, your different noodles, your different vegetables, and they fire it on the spot for you.
I love pizza, so pizza's gonna be my thing.
We have a fresh made daily pizza station. We make our dough every day, we make a sauce, and we customize our pizza so that we can have different specials that constantly rotate.
I recently tried the beef stew. It was like from home. It was like my mom came and made it for me.
If you think about food, it is the one thing that brings people from all different backgrounds together. I have seen students congregate here from different backgrounds, from different countries, sitting together, eating together.
Everybody's so kind and so nice. They can make us feel at home.
Scratch-made food, smiling faces, your very favorite restaurant right here within the UIndy community. Come and check us out.